Rice water is one of the ancient and effective method to strengthen your hair. The best part is it is very easy to make. You just need rice and water. And actually the hardest part is to remember it, to take it to your shower and use it correctly. In this video, we are going to see how to prepare this rice water and to use it correctly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like the content of my videos, don't forget to like, share and comment. Now without any further ado, let's start the video. In a bowl, take 1 cup of rice and rinse this rice to remove any impurities that it might have. Once you are done with rinsing, to 1 cup of rice, add 1 cup of water and mix the strained rice very well. After some time, you will notice that water will turn out cloudy. At this point, you have to leave it and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Do not disturb the water, just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you will need a spray bottle for your application. So here I am taking a spray bottle which is easy to use. Now strain the liquid and transfer the liquid after straining into the spray bottle. Here I am using a funnel and I am using a strainer on top of it, and I am straining the water so that all my strained liquid will get collected into that spray bottle directly. Do not throw away the rice that you have used. Just go ahead, cook it and have a delicious meal. Leave the rice water in spray bottle for at least 24 hours and allow it to ferment. This step is very important. You have to ferment the rice water for at least 24 hours before you are using it. Now let's see how to use it. It is very simple to use. After your regular shampooing and conditioning, portion your hair and start spraying this rice water on your scalp portion and work towards your way end. Leave it on your hair for 2 to 5 minutes and then rinse it off. You will probably may notice immediate thickness on your hair. Do not leave this rice water after 24 hours outside. You can refrigerate and use it for the next time. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next